All right, I got a new saw blade on the mill. That usually makes things look a lot better. Just gonna shave off another ½ inch and then decide what to do with the rest of this to maximize the 3x6s that I need for to make rafters. So let's get her going. All right, so pretty good spot here, I think. I'll flip this over and cut this piece here 6 inches and this piece 3 inches. So now what I'll do is I'll cut this piece into, cut 6 inches out of it, and I'll try to do center cut so I can get rid of this wane here at this far end. Then I'll cut out of the bottom piece 3-inch slabs, and that's about 12. I don't know if I'm going to get 4 out of that or not, but I'll at least get 4 total rafters out of this one, and maybe 5. Really liking that scale on the side there to decide where to make your cuts and how many cuts you have. I rarely measure anymore, but I knew I had 6-inch pieces. I used the scale at the 3-inch mark and then just put the saw blade at those 3 heights, and so now I have 3 real good 3x6, and I'm not sure how long these are, maybe 18. I need 15, 16, so I've got plenty. And then I got one kind of 2x material. It's got quite a bit of wane on that one side, but I'll find a use for that. I have one more piece to cut tonight, which is this 3-inch slab, and so I'm going to cut a 6-inch center out of that, try to get rid of this, and so out of that log I'll have 4 pieces, that 2-inch material. And I was thinking about doing something with that piece also. So yeah, nice log. Pretty pitchy, it's gumming up my blade. I'm not sure if that was my problem before, but it definitely got a dull, and the new blade is making a big difference. But it's getting gummed up too. So some of these big old jack pines with lots of knots, definitely pitchy. Well, back at milling the rafters for the sawmill shed, the cover. Finished up the board last night, did a couple more this morning for the logs, and so that pile on the left there is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 there. I got 2 more that I milled earlier. So there's 14, 19 total. I did mill a Doug fir roof rafter, that one there, but I decided that I'm going to save that for another project and just keep it all lodgepole pine in the roof rafters. Should be able to get my 6 rafters out of these 3 logs, and definitely some more out of this larger first log. So just a little update on this log here. I got it 6 inches wide. I'm cutting 3 by 6s. And so once I get it to this point, I use my log scale, and now it's at the 3. So that's kind of like the peach one. And so I put my line there, make a cut, go to the next one. So it should be fairly straightforward, and then I'll have a slab cut on top there, and then 3 pieces. So I should be able to get 3 rafters out of that log right there. Well, I'm just finishing up. I have one more cut to do for the rafters, and then I'll be done. I got plenty. I made a couple extra just in case, and closer inspection, I don't want to use 1 or 2 of them. Appreciate you watching, and remember to like and subscribe. That helps the channel, and we'll see you next time.